9 overseas-based players have been included in Jamaica's 20-man squad named for the Concacaf Men's Under-20 Championship, which will kick off in Honduras on June 18. The overseas contingent includes 5 from England in Chelsea's Luke Bailey, Bradley Morgan, Kanaya Boyce-Clark and Jamari Clark of Reading FC, Tyler Roberts and Dexter Lembikisa of Wolverhampton Wanderers, 1 from Germany in Alexander Bicknell of Fortuna Cologne, 1 from Spain in Chad James of Marquette FU, and 2 from the USA in Kobe Thomas of Inter Miami 2 and Zion Scarlett of Columbus Crew 2. The rest of the squad reads Tariq Zimenez and Devontae Campbell of Mount Pleasant Academy, Lamont Rochester and Christopher Pearson of Cavalier, Romain Blake and Ricardo Watson of Waterhouse, Malachi Douglas and Jerome Barkley of Chapelton Maroons, Lewis Watson of Santos FC and Duncan McKenzie of Real Mona. The team will be led by coach Marcel Gale. A total of 16 teams will contest the group stage of the championship. The top 3 from each group will qualify or will advance to the round of 16, where they'll meet Curacao, the Dominican Republic, Nicaragua, Puerto Rico, who advanced from the CMU U20 qualifiers. Now, the semi-finals will be played on July 1 and the final on July 3. The 4 semi-finalists will qualify to the FIFA Men's Under-20 World Cup in Indonesia in 2023, while the finalists will also book their tickets to the 2024 Paris Summer Olympic Games. The Jamaican delegation departs the island on Monday for the championship.